Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle line in Illustrator. To begin, select the ellipse tool from your toolbar. Hold down the Shift key while you click and drag to draw a perfectly round circle. Once drawn, make sure to set its fill to none and then choose a desired color for your stroke. This creates your fundamental circle line. Now that you have your basic circle, it's time to customize its appearance. Open the stroke panel to find all your options. Here, you can easily change the line's thickness by adjusting the weight. You can also create a dashed line by checking the option and then control the length of the dashes and gaps for unique visual effects. To add more detail and flair, you can apply arrowheads to either the start or end of your circle path directly from the stroke panel. For a dynamic and organic look, use the width tool to create varying thickness along the line. Don't forget to explore the extensive brush library for artistic and decorative line styles that can transform your circle. When you're satisfied with your design, it's often useful to convert your stroke to outlines. This transforms the line into a shape, allowing you to edit its individual anchor points. If you've applied any effects, remember to expand the appearance to make them permanent. Finally, group your elements together for easy manipulation and organization within your artwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.